Yeah, let me do a quick scout.
Oh, we got protection? Awesome.
Yeah. How you guys doing, huh? You guys good?
Money, man.
All right. Yeah, you go to bag, yeah. Go to bag. They're coming, they're coming. Caught the hair! Caught the hair! Caught the hair!
Where they at?
Right here, yeah. Oh, it's all clear. Never mind. Never mind. All right. Good. All right. What's up, man? Are you a cop? Fucking no. Hey. If you want, you can use that as human shield. You can use this as human shield if you want.
That's all I say.
That's all you say.
Matt, how many people? They're all dead.
They're all dead.
Officer down! Help! Fuck! Oh shit! Fuck me!
Whoa, whoa! Oh, head! Ah! I'm down, my leg! My leg!
Oh my fucking god!
Nice shot.
My fucking femur! Oh my god!
And then I just see him like pop me.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, I know he's there, but maybe you don't know.
Drop the gun!
Well, I saw
behind it. I have my
Guys! All officers are dead!
Oh, yay! Yay!
Oh, my femur's fucked!
I wasn't an officer. This guy shot me. I wasn't an officer. This guy.
Should we just all fucking walk around with pistols? Like the combatants just walk around with pistols?
I'm like concealing it.
I'll be the final boss. Yeah. Yeah, for good.
We're trying to make it look a little.
Howdy. Howdy.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? Yeah. Oh, nice day out.
Just have a party.
Yeah.
Pull up, pull up.
Pull up. Ah, not interested. That interested. Yeah.
We're already being robbed.
What?
Yeah,
Oh.
you're too late.
Okay, I want to rob you too. Friend. Oh. Oh. Cops are here, cops are here, cops. Hello, hello. Oh no. Wow, you were screwed out there. What the heck? What? Cops were here.
Cops were here.
Oh.
Where were you? I needed you.
I'm gonna bail you out. I know that's the rule, but no, no.
I got executed.
You got executed? Oh, come on, damn it. Yeah.
I domed him right in the chest while he was trying to
Yeah.
You shot me in the leg.
No.
You shot me in the leg. I put out.
You did? Oh. I'll comply.
Yo! Put the fucking gun down now!
Yes, sir.
Now!
You're down now! You're down!
Cuff him. Do you have any cuffs? No. You cuff him. Hey! One more time. You put a bullet in your head. You hear that, bitch?
Yeah.
I'm not the type of... I'm not... Put your hands together!
I will. I will.
Oh, I got shot in the nail and I think it's
That's 20 years, bud.
Ah.
Bleeding. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
I can take point going into the house in the right side.
Alright,
Okay.
your time's starting. Go ahead, Belinda.
Okay. Let's go. Move out.
I need TQs.
All right. Take left. Yep. Okay. I'll bring with this guy, son. You can rock with him, okay? Or.
Got the right side. I'm going to cross over. Look left, okay?
Yes, sir.
Crossing. Get on the fucking ground!
You two
Right now!
Get up! Put your hands on the floor!
Inside the house! I got 3, 2 hours for sure. You said movement?
Okay. What?
Get on the fucking ground now!
Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground right now! Get on your knees! On your knees!
Fucking knees now! Now!
On your knees right now!
Get down! Stop!
Hey! Hey! Stop moving! Alright, let him leave.
There's another body stuffed in the corner here on the right.
Okay.
Yeah, right there. Take him out!
Officer down! Officer down! Officer down! Officer down!
He shot him. We can take the guy out on the right.
Okay. I got it right.
Hey, give me up, leave me.
He's dead? Okay.
Yeah, you take 10. You go.
Yes, sir. All right. Here you go. Yeah.
You get him up. Search him for contraband.
Yes, sir. Fucking hell.
an M4? Thank you. Oh, M4s are
Hey! Get down! You get down right now! Get down right now! Taking heavy fire here. I got you, got you. Okay, I got yeah, I got him.
Get on the fucking
Forward. Hey, get out! Get down! Get outside, they're running! Get down, get out of the car right now! Get out of the car right now!
What are you doing, man?
Get out, on your knees right now! On your knees right now, on your knees right now! On your ground right now, on your ground right now! On your ground. Hey!
Oh, man. I'm just chilling, bro. Officer!
Yeah, that's a small. Alright, that works.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Oh, you got it, good. Yeah, we're good, we're good.
I thought this was a miracle. Get down now! No, there's two over there. Hey, you copy that. No,
Where's it? Fuck. Sorry, good.
I'm right in the belly.
Oh, okay, this works. Okay. Alright, go ahead. Hi. Got him! Why? Civilian! Yeah. Cover me, cover me, cover me. There's two over there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Take it off there.
this one's kind of.
I think the other one fell off me as well.
Yeah. Alright, there you go. That works. Move, move, move. Okay, with you, Justin. With you, Forrest.
One suspect ahead.
Okay. Hey! On your knees! Hey! He's armed, he's in the maze right now.
Watch right.
Watch right, yeah. Okay, moving, yeah.
Clear.
Clear, clear. Okay. Hey, move it, hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Where are you going, hey? Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. On your knees right now. On your knees right now.
Not doing anything.
On your, yeah, got him. Okay, on your knees. Come, hand on your back.
Hey, calm down. Right side.
Yeah. All right. Just stay here until it's safe. Right that way? Okay. All right.
I'll move left, you move right.
Yep, got you. On you. Yep. Got the mirror, okay. Yeah, go.
Moving left.
Okay.
Moving right, cover left.
Yep, go left. This looks all clear. Okay, wanna.
You gotta secure this, right?
Yeah, we gotta secure this.
Out of here.
I'll be right out. Alright, I'll get you covered. Yep. Yeah, bring it back. Okay, want me to take points? Did you got the.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Do I got this too? Here, let's bring that.
I'm throwing away and
Yeah. Okay, it's all clear. Hang on, hold. Oh, hey, move on. On your knees right now. On your knees.
Okay.
Come here. On your knees right here. Yeah. You have to right to remain silent. Anything you say or anything you do will hold against you in court.
Officer, what's illegal about this? Help! We're gonna find out.
We'll find out. Hopefully that's fine. Alright. Hey! You're in the bag. I remember that guy. Yo, yeah, scary, yeah.
Back in the car.
We're back in the motor.
Weapon last time.
Yeah.
Guy on the weapon.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, clear. Forward, yeah.
His hands aren't secure.
I see him.
His hands aren't secure.
Got one suspect down. I'm gonna cuff him right now. Cover me. What? Hey, hey! On your knees right now. On your knees right now. On your knees right now. On your knees right now, or else I will put a bullet in you. That's a warning shot. Warning shot. Oh! Suspect! Here you go. Give me that. No, mine. Hey! 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 Oh, he moved. Oh, hit! I was just...
Damn, bro. Fuck! No bullet! Fuck!
Medic! Medic! Yeah.
He shot me in the arm!
Oh, crap. Where is it? Oh, no, I don't have a... Yeah, right now. Medic! Justin, medic!
That's fine to use.
First man in.
The scenario is active shooter. So there is an unknown amount of active shooters. I forgot I was going to put a bomb up there too. But anyway, active shooters, try to save as many civilians as you can.
Those hand grenade labels are going on.
Nah, it's just try to go and neutralize the threats.
So can you technically bring civilians back to the safe zone so we
You
don't have
could,
to deal with that?
and they might run and try to look for you too. But you still got to handcuff them because you don't know, right?
Yeah, we can handle them. And then the second last guy has to make sure that that last man is always known when to move. And we all move as a squad. We don't fucking 3 guys run off, go after the guy.
Yeah, don't worry, I have ADHD. I'm kind of impulsive.
So who wants to be last man?
Doesn't matter, it will change. But whoever's last man, the second last guy has to make sure that last man knows that they're moving.
Yeah.
Arrest the hostages.
Active shooter. Hey! 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 Okay, he's in there. Got one.
Police! Police! Guys, stay behind the guy with the fucking riot too.
Yeah, yeah.
Police! Police!
One active shooter in the bag right now.
Police!
He's in the bag right now. He's in the bag right now. Hey! 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 On this right now. Hey, guy here. Guy with a... Ah, hey! Hey!
Find him! Find him! Find him! Hey!
Oh, God.
Oh, that's gay.
Yeah, I know, right?
Your arms are too big.
This freaking strap's so small.
What the fuck is this?
Alright.
That was just...
Cheap ass turn. There you
Okay,
go.
you're fucked.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, yeah.
To the right.
Oh, yeah. Okay, moving. Hey! 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 Okay, you guys, sit me down! Sit me down! We need even! We need medvac! Sit down.
Is that one of ours?
No, he's a civvy.
He's a civvy?
He's a civvy. Yeah. I'm restraining civvy. Cover me, cover me. Okay, don't worry, just breathe, okay? Breathe, here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I need you. I know you're bleeding out, but I'm sorry. Okay, get down, get down, get down. Okay, I need to turn you. Whoop. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Okay. Yeah. Cover up there. You're good, okay? Now, for our safety, I have to cuff you, okay? Okay.
Okay.
That's fine. Go back. Ah! I'm dead.
Yeah, I shot him in the back.
I had to wait. Medic! Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, cuff him.
Cuff him?
Yeah, I gotta cuff him. Yeah.
Okay.
Put your hands together.
I don't want to be here anymore. Yeah, don't worry, buddy.
Don't worry. Hey. Now, just for our own safety, you're not in trouble, okay? Okay. Here. All right. All right, come here for a second. We need you to reach your safety, okay? Okay. Can you stand? Can you walk? Okay, come here. Okay, wait. I'm gonna extract him. Okay, go. All right, go join up with these guys. Okay.
What?
All right, you're
Batteries on the cars.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll keep an eye on the rear.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on the side.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I got right. I'm right. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, watch the right. I'll go inside.
Yep. Okay. Moving. Covered.
Move it.
Go. Okay. I got it. Clear. Clear.
We gotta move together.
Yeah. Okay, all clear.
Okay, go through that side.
Yes, sir. Now window. Okay, all clear. Hang on, let me check that corner. Corner's clear. So far, I don't see any.
Go on my back.
Yeah.
What's right?
Yeah, what's right? Yeah, clear. Hallway's clear. Yep. Okay. Clear. Clear.
We had a guy with the gun in front of us
Okay.
on the floor.
I've had my green light. This would have been a good time to use it.
Watch our backs.
Yeah.
Go outside that side.
Okay, on it. Yep. On your go. Yeah, good, yeah. All clear. Oh. Cuff him. Yeah. Actually, let's bring him to the safe distance. Let's not
One
here.
guy watch front. Guys, one guy needs to watch the front.
Here, take it.
Yeah. Hands together. All right. Slowly. On your knees. There you go. Yeah, behind. Okay, go ahead.
I've got it.
Nice. Move right.
Hang on. Hold. Okay. Hey. This guy right there. This guy in the red shirt.
Hey. That's our guy. Hey, police. Gracias.
Hey! Wait, Freddy!
Police.
Yeah. Hey! Purple wheeling! Hey! Hold it! Hold! Hands! Come out of that building right now! Come out!
One to back.
Yeah. Come out! Come out towards me right now.
Take it to the house. Take it to the house.
Yeah. All right, come here. Move forward, move forward. Move.
Take it in. Take it in. Take it to the house.
Take it in, yeah.
This way. In the house.
Got a gun on you? No? Okay. Okay, he's good. Okay, on your knees. Okay. You're on shovel. Just for safety, okay? Alright. Alright, I'm gonna take it to the house.
Okay, let's move right up. Right to the other guys.
Okay, guys, got it.
Come towards me.
Okay.
Let's go in the house. So
Okay.
we don't fucking...
Yeah.
Police! Moving hostage.
Okay, copy.
Moving hostage.
Okay.
You guys are on your own? We should go with them.
Yeah, I'm gonna go, yeah.
You take him outside into the speed soft field, out of play. Like
Okay.
It's the safe zone.
Right. Get on, okay.
There's atrocities.
Yeah, keep walking.
That's a gun.
Let's go. Got it, go. Alright, good. Okay.
Yeah, but someone might have walked in there.
Oh, you're an undercover officer?
Oh, yes,
Okay, alright.
Yeah, campus security.
Okay, no worries. Oh, got a dead civilian here. DOA. DOA. Yeah, let me check if he has anything.
Check them all.
No? Okay.
Yeah, no, there's
Okay.
no weapons on them.
No weapons, okay. Let me just trade him.
Yo, what's your right?
Yeah, I know. Okay, we got a dead civilian here. Restraint. Moving on. Maze. Moving on.
Police, raise your hands now.
Alright.
Both of your hands
On
are
your hand right now.
Okay, walk over to me. Okay,
Yeah, watch your back. Watch.
no, keep them up, keep them up.
Keep it on, keep it on. My light's on him, Yeah, go move in, I got him. Watch.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Okay. I got your 6.
Get me out of here.
After we cut him, we gotta get him out of here.
Get me out of here, get me out of here.
Yeah, let's go. Got weapon recovery.
Okay, you're going in the maze first. We'll come in behind you.
Okay.
You go in second because you got a shorter gun.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Go.
Okay, go. Okay, well, we got a couple of dead people here. Okay, open space. Okay, I got you right.
I want to move through here.
Okay, cool.
Moving into the room.
Yeah. All clear. So far, clear. Here, there's our friendly. Okay, go, ready, get.
No, he's dead.
He's dead? Oh, okay. Damn it. There's a lot.
Dead? Everyone's dead?
Yeah, but there's a red shit up, he's dead.
Bind them. Guys, got back.
Yeah,
Watch the corner.
I know.
Here, bind them.
Yo, wait. Yeah, wait, come here. We still got some work to do right here. Yeah. Okay, we got this Gatorade bottle.
Hey, Cameron, pull back this way.
Yeah, pulling back right now.
No pulse. Oh. Did I drop that? No, I didn't.
Good job.
Okay. 3 guys on that side, 4 guys on this side. It's gonna be fucking acting on that side. Okay, that's 4. Left.
Okay, I'm going right with him. Oh.
Move it.
Okay, go. Oh.
I see somebody running. Move it.
Get me home. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right here.
Come down here.
Got a dead civilian here. Dead civilian. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, you cover me. I'm gonna cover him. Okay. Yeah. Hide. Okay, I'm not trying to come. Hey! Hey! Underneath! There's an axe shooter on our left. Yeah, on our front actually, on the front. Yeah, on the front, on the front. He's right on the front.
Ready to move?
Yeah, go. Okay, he's on her. I beat him. He's like in this area right here. Come out!
Find it. Guns up! Take the car! Fuck me!
Oh, hey, damn it! Nice. Damn it.
Fuck me!
Oh.
Oh my god, I got Kurt Cobain. Fuck me.
Medic! Medic!
Who's down?
Medic! Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. All right. Go. Okay. Go. Yeah. Okay. Hey. God damn.
I was about to say, I'm not a smart man.
Yeah. Crap. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Push it. Oh. Fuck. Damn it.
Come in.
Go. Go. Okay, move your hand.
Watch the wall.
Yeah, I got you. Clear. I don't know. Evidence.
Keep moving.
Okay, clear. Hey! Active shooter down! Yeah. One active shooter down. You got any cuffs? No? Great. Okay. Guys, one kid. Rest the active shooter. I got him. I put him down. I got you covered.
Thank you for your compliance. Please leave me a nice review.
Hey.
2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes.
Yeah, I got you.
Push it. 2 of you, go.
Go. Push him.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh, nice shot.
That's one hell of an active shooter.
I know, right?
I don't get paid enough for this shit. Bro, me neither.
Three, 2, 1.
Damn, I want that.
All right.
I don't see
Yeah.